Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are showing a whole range of different copper products by Somana. So let's see Somana.
So Namaskaram. So today with the copper ranges from Isha.
Oh, there, sorry.
The cutest small bottle with the Isha logo. Copper bottle, 500 ml. The sun, the triangle, the snake. Hope guys you have put up this logo on your channel. I'm not sure.
I'll
So
put it up.
yes, you have to. So this 500 ml copper bottle, first of the 4, with a nice grip on this so it doesn't leak water. Okay, we'll call them back. First of the bottle.
Somana is a busy man.
Yes. So the second bottle, this is 950 ml copper with the Yogeshwara chant.
Busy man Somana.
So 950 ml copper bottle, second of the range. Okay. The other 2 bottles, okay, we are out of stock. Fine. The hammered 1.5 liter copper jug, easy to clean. With the hammered range, we had a problem about it developing the oxides, right? Now that has been reduced a lot. So with this hammered range, it doesn't tarnish as the older one.
Oh, this is the older one.
That is the older 1.5 liter. This is also the same 1.5 liter. So it comes along with, there are 2 sizes for copper glasses. I think this would be just 100 ml, 200 ml, first one.
Shiny.
Yes, it may not remain so. You need to regularly clean it with tamarind, salt or lime. Okay, so this is the first 200 ml glass, copper glass. The bigger one, 400 ml.
Can you place it near the other one so we get relative size?
Here you go. Okay, so this is the jug and the glasses. Now comes the bigger range. Okay, so now generally how it is said is so water has to be in these vessels for about 3 hours for the copper properties to come down to the water. The benefits of copper, there are n types of benefits. You can Google it. Generally in yogic perspective, we say copper helps the internal organs, that is very much needed for the bodily functions. So 3 to 4 hours in the copper vessels. So now how do you store? You will need, this is the 5 liter Jeevarasam pot as it is known on our website, a copper vessel. So easy to clean, put your hand and wash. This is 5 liter. Okay. For the larger families where 5 liter is not enough, we have the 8 liter. This comes in the range of hammered copper vessels. So the lid and the 8 liter.
Attached tap.
So yes, so that is comfortable. It's a half cork, no sorry, full cork tap. This is 8 liters. So I guess this would be the full range what we have. Oh yeah. Everything visible?
Yes.
We have actually a couple more bottles. The different chant bottle for 500 ml out of stock. We get again, I guess, 2 more types are there. All you can check it out on the website. Maybe next channel, next round, we'll have the other bottles as well.
Are they available for shipping also?
Yes, so vessels can be easily shipped abroad, so that is possible. No other complication for the shipping. Yes, anything else?
No, nothing else. Last important part, subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
So thank you everyone. So you can reach out to Somnath Anna. I'll give all the links in the description. So thank you, Somnath. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So there are a lot more parts of the video where Somnath Anna talks about a lot more products that Isha Life is offering. So I'll be putting it out soon, very soon. So I just want to tell you guys that all the products that are shown and not yet shown are available in the Isha Life website in India and also in the offline stores around the country. So if you are in anywhere in India, you can definitely buy the products online. Like in most of the pin codes, it is delivered. And just in case if it is not available, that is ishalife.com is not delivering to your place, then definitely reach out to Somnath Anna. But other than that, always buy from the Isha Life website. I think that will be easy for you guys. And also, even if you are abroad, we also have a lot of Isha Life stores abroad in a lot of countries, and also the websites also are available. So please make sure that you buy the products locally. In case if the products are not available there and they are not able to ship it to you or something like that happens, then you reach out to Somnath Anna and then we can see how to make it happen to you. So all the websites are linked in the description. Means I'll try to find the websites. I do not know all the websites, but I'll try the maximum websites and I'll link it in the description. So one thing that I want to tell you is, like, whenever you buy a product from Isha Life, you need to know that most of the proceeds, or I think almost fully, goes to the Isha outreach program, which works for the welfare of the people in villages in the rural parts of Tamil Nadu. So wherever you are, in whichever city you are, we all want to contribute to villages, we want to help, we want to take part in rural upliftment, but we are not able to. So if that is something that you want to do, just by buying these products and replacing the existing products that you buy, like Isha Life has so much range of products that can cover anything and all of your needs in your daily life. So if you can slowly replace your products with Isha Life products, it will in turn help the volunteers who are working in the Isha outreach programs to make things happen there. And also, last but not the least, again the disclaimer that yes, I have a tie-up with Somnath Anna, so if you buy products from him, it in turn helps me in a big way to making content and keeping this sustainable. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So do reach out to Somnath Anna if you want to. And last but not the least, subscribe to the channel. Like or dislike is fine, but subscribe is important. So thank you guys. Take care. Namaskaram.